Namaste. This guided meditation will help you cleanse any negativity, anxiety, fear, or trauma from your body, your aura, and your life. You can do this meditation anytime you need it. Be first thing in the morning, before going to sleep, or any time during the day. You can do this meditation for anything you need, be the protection, motivation, relaxation, improving determination, or self confidence. Overcoming any obstacles in your life cleanse and clear thoughts and heal any illness. Please sit down comfortably in a quiet place. Put your phone on silent or aeroplane mode. Choose a seated position and pose as per your comfort, sitting in an upright position, keeping your spine, back, and neck straight as comfortably as possible. Please keep your chin parallel to the ground. Put your hands on your knees or in your lap, palms open, facing upwards. Now, gently close your eyes and follow my voice. Focus on your breathing at the nostrils. Gently take a deep breath and now gently exhale. Take another deep breath slowly and gently. Now gently exhale. Again, take another deep breath, inhaling gently. And now exhale. Now continue breathing normally and follow my voice. Now internally request as I say, Father, Mother, God, please send me the cleansing beam of light to cleanse and purify me, removing all negativities, anxieties, and fears. Visualize and intend the cleansing beam of light is coming at the palms of your hands and the soles of your feet. This beam of light is sending back all your negativities, anxieties, and fears back to the source as love and light. Internally, repeat with me. I am grateful. Thank you. Breathing normally, feel your shoulders getting more relaxed. Now internally, request with me. Father, Mother, God, please send me the white light. Thank you. Visualize and intend that a beautiful white light is descending from above, entering your crown chakra and filling up your hollow body. This beautiful and gentle white light is now filling your entire body, traveling from your crown chakra and going downwards. Imagine this white light filling your entire face, throat, your chest, and stomach. It's now traveling down to fill your lower body, your hips and thighs, your knees and calves, and your feet. Allow this gentle light to fill you up slowly inside and overflow outside. You are now dipped in this beautiful, gentle white light, bathing in its warmth. Stay with this and experience the peace, warmth, love, and harmony for a few minutes. Experience all your negativities, anxieties, worries, and fears washing away, removing all the blocks and dis-ease conditions from your body, your aura, and your environment, allowing your body, your mind, and your soul to be free and at peace. Allow this white light to bring stability, harmony, and clarity in your life and in your vision. When you feel complete with this, be grateful to the cleansing beam, the white light, and Father, Mother, God. Now, internally, repeat with me. Cleansing beams and the white light, please go back to the source as love and light. Thank you. Breathe deeply a few times. Coming back to the consciousness of your surroundings. Very gently move your fingers and your toes. Now lift your hands, rub your palms together, and move them on your eyes and face, saying to yourself, "Thank you." Now, gently and slowly open your eyes and become aware of your surroundings. We are now back to consciousness. This completes our white light meditation. Remember, now you are cleansed. Now you are free. You are now protected and loved by this powerful white light. This experience, this energy, and this peace and love is going to be with you throughout your day and into your night. Namaste.